Hey everybody, it's me again, and I have an unboxing. This is what I'm going to be unboxing this evening is an 1891 Argentine Engineer Mauser that I purchased off of Empire Arms, and I've had this for a few weeks now, and finally getting around to unboxing it. I know it's probably wondering, well, how come I didn't do it sooner? Well, it's been really busy with a lot of things. So I'm finally getting around to it. I have a 1909 Mauser, and I have an 1891 Argentine Mauser as well, but it's a sporterized one. I bought it because it's a really nice looking rifle. I don't like the idea that it's sporterized, but it's just such a great price and such a nice rifle, and so well done in terms of the conversion. I thought, wow, that'd be a really nice hunting rifle. So I've always wanted to get the carbine, and I got the email one day from Empire Arms, and they had a engineer carbine. I was like, wow. I understand there are not many of them. There are only 20,000 of the regular carbines made, and out of those, approximately 5,043 were turned into engineer carbines I believe it was between 1931 and 32. So a total of 100,000 regular 1891 Argentine rifles were manufactured. And the story behind the Argentines adopting the Mauser back then was the fact that they had neighboring countries that were doing the same thing. Chile was purchasing arms from Germany and getting instruction on war and how to fight through the Germans. So the Germans approached the Argentines and told them, hey, this is what we're doing for your neighbors, and they were kind of like, well, if you're doing that for the neighbors, well, we better jump on board. So they modernized. They went from the Remington rolling block black powder to smokeless. And the 1891 is modeled after, it's very similar to the 1889 Belgian Mauser, which was also adopted by the Turks. I think the original, I read somewhere originally the Argentines wanted to get their hands on the 1888 commission rifle, but the Germans wouldn't part with them. I think there was like an order of 400,000 that had to be filled, and that rifle was strictly made for the Germans, so they weren't able to acquire any of those. So here we are. I think that the main difference between the regular 1891 carbine and the engineer is mainly the bayonet lug that was installed, and then side mounted sling mounts. I think that's the main difference. This is nice. Oh, look at that. And it has the crest. It wasn't a lot of these Argentine Mausers have their crests ground off, and the reason why is back when Paraguay, and I believe it was Paraguay and Chile were at war, the Argentines sold a lot of their older Mausers to Paraguay without getting rid of this crest. So the Chileans knew that Paraguay was being armed by Argentina, and it caused some conflict there. And after that, they decided if they ever sold any of their arms out of country, they would grind the crest so nobody would know where they came from. Supposedly that's the story. Wow, this is really nice. It's so short. Gosh. Wow. Let's take a closer look at it. Let's first clear it. It is clear. Beautiful rifles. The 1909 that I have is just incredible. It's the nicest looking rifle, nicest looking Mauser I own. I mean, it's in excellent condition for one, but it's just so well built. You can see you have the side mounted sling. And I don't see, I guess maybe they'd remove the bayonet lug because they didn't need it. Because there's no bayonet lug here, I don't think. No, I guess this is it right here. This is for the bayonet. Right here, and you have the side mounted sling mounts. But wow, this is beautiful. I love Argentine Mausers. This is such a nice rifle. Let me go ahead and bring this down so you can all take a closer look. It's in really good shape. So this is not very common. You don't come across many of them. So when I saw it on Empire Arms, I was like, I got to get this. And I got a good deal on it. I think I paid only $600 for it, so can't beat that. And flip it around. So this has a it's a cock on close, 5-round stackable magazine, 7.65 Argentine. Some nice markings there. Oh, I'm pretty pleased. This is really nice. I've never gone wrong ordering from Empire Arms. They are very reasonable in their pricing. They do a great job shipping. Just always thrilled when I get one of their emails. it's always fun to see what they have. So anyway, that's it. That's I'm gonna post some pictures at the end of the video, so if you want to see some better pictures of it, just stay on the video. But otherwise, there you have it, my 1891 Argentine Engineer Carbine. And thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Appreciate your viewership. Thank you and have a nice night.